I will now create a new account so you can follow along with me. I'll provide the link in the description so that you don't need to search. Feel free to pause and play whenever you need to. I'm going to open a new tab now and create a partner account. I am on the Shopify partner website now. It's shopify.com/partners. I'm going to join now. So I'm going to click join now. It's going to take me to a form page where I need to put my email address. I'm going to put my email address. I'm going to create a new account.com. It doesn't autocomplete. I'm going to put the first name. I'm going to use a password that is suggested. Right? Looks like strong. I'm going to create the create account button. It will hopefully create an account for me. So I need to verify my email address. So it's asking for business name, all that. So I can give a business name. It doesn't need to be a valid business. It doesn't ask for anything. So it gets my email address. Website is optional. You can put your address. I'm going to try to hit without putting address and see what happens. You can store clients. Client you're working on, your client, so that's fine. And it's your platform, doesn't matter. You can put whatever you want. It wants an address, so you can put your address. I'm going to put my address and I'll blur it out later. Create view dashboard, and voila, here we are inside the partner account. I'll go check my email, see what they say. It says confirm your email address, so you also need to confirm email address. And yeah, it's verified. I'll check what other email. So with the same email, so I'll just confirm it again. Yeah, it took me to the partner account, and right now I don't have anything, but normally if you go to payouts, then you can see all of your website and then the payout that they gave. If you like this content and want more of this kind of content, then please like, comment and share this video for the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe and press the ring bell if you don't want to miss my following content. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day.